Welcome to the ultimate battery drain test between the iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro, Galaxy S22 Ultra, Z Fold 4, and the Z Flip 4. The best of Apple takes on the best of Samsung in 2022. Apple or Samsung, who is the ultimate battery king in real life? We'll be testing out everything from social media usage to gaming, media content, camera usage, and much more. We'll kick things off right after this. Are you worried about your kids being addicted to phones or addictive apps? Well, it's time to get FamiSafe. FamiSafe is the most reliable parental control app on the market. It lets you control screen time, track real-time location, and detect inappropriate content on your kids' devices. You get exact report on web activity, YouTube and TikTok history, plus much more. With safe browsing and web filter, you can keep your kids safe from all the inappropriate content online. Plus, family location tracking allows you to see real-time location and, most importantly, receive alerts whenever your kids get out of school or home. FamiSafe is a must-have tool for all the parents out there, and best of all, if you use my special link in the description, you get a special discount. It's a limited time offer, so definitely check it out. So sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Alrighty, we are back, and what a long test it was. Apple once again beats Samsung with not only with their iPhone 14 Pro Max, but also with the standard iPhone 14 Pro. Despite having way smaller batteries than the S22 Ultra's 5000 mAh, the iPhone 14 Pro Max clocked in 11 hours and 11 minutes, which was just very long and very painful for us to just endure because this phone just wouldn't die. Then comes the iPhone 14 Pro at 10 hours and 32 minutes, which is an impressively long battery time for this battery size. Galaxy S22 Ultra coming in at 9 hours and 44 minutes. Honestly, I did not expect this phone to last this long, but still, it wasn't no match for the iPhone 14 Pro lineup. Followed by the S22 Ultra, we have the Z Fold 4 coming in at 9 hours and 9 minutes. Very impressive for this folding phone considering all the usage was on the actual main screen. It actually did pretty good. And finally, we have the Z Flip 4 coming in at 8 hours and 56 minutes. Definitely doing a lot better compared to last year's model and possibly having the best battery life on a flip phone right now. But there we go, Apple remains the king. Both iPhone 14 Pro models are absolutely insane when it comes to the battery life. I don't think there's going to be any device on the market this year that can challenge the battery performance of these two phones. Of course, all thanks to the Apple A16 chip and Apple's secret optimization. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. below, and don't forget to check out the charging test that we did of these same devices on the Lover of Tech channel. The link will be in the description. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.